Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am doing a foundation tutorial. I found this in my drawer. I don't know why I didn't make a tutorial on it. As you can see, it is quite old, but it's called Get It All NYC Foundation. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to half of my face. You can see, like, my skin has a tremendous amount of red. So I'm going to apply it right now to half of my face and blend it out. And let's see if it actually covers all of this redness. So I'm just going to, I do like stick foundations, by the way, because I think they're easy to pop in your purse. And look at that. I mean, how easy is that? You know, you don't have to get your fingers dirty, so to speak. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this out. I don't remember if it's a full coverage, if it's a light coverage, but let's see. I'm going to do this as a wear test as well today. So I will check in throughout the day and tell you guys whether it lasted or not. So from what I'm looking at, and I think from what you're looking at as well, is that this is a lighter coverage, because it's not like you can't see. You can still see my, actually you can still see what I meant to say, my red through the foundation right here. You guys see what I'm talking about? Like, I'm gonna go ahead and blend that right there through the nose a little bit. You guys can still see some red pigment right here in this area, but it's covered a lot of red, I have to say that. But I'm looking in the mirror here, and it is a lighter foundation. You can see if I get close up, like, look, you can see all my freckles that I have still. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. I'll be right back. So guys, I'm having a tad bit complications with this foundation. I've already applied it like so many times in my nose, and I think I finally got it down. So what I had to do is I had to like get a lot on my finger or just kind of pat it into my nose. Now watch what happens when I take my brush and I start wiping. It all went away. So I think it's a little tricky if you have oily skin like I do. I think you're gonna have to pat it, maybe use a beauty blender, but you're gonna have to pat like this for it to stay on your nose. Now I did notice that. That is not a good sign if I'm struggling with just apply. See, you can still see some redness. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. I will do the check-in, but I'm feeling that this is not gonna work out. And then I get to my nose. Do you see how it's like, okay, you can see the red there, but then it chunked here. Look at that. It just looks really, really, really super funny. It's not evenly distributed, and it just kind of chunked. And look what it's doing to the corner. So guys, I really don't even have to give you my final thoughts and opinions, because I think you honestly already know it, but I'm going to give it to you anyways. I'm not going to be doing a check-in on this foundation. I think this foundation is a total fail. Now, if you wanted to carry in your purse to maybe touch up every now and then, but then again, it might actually give you problems like what it did me. I rarely give foundations a complete 0, but I'm going to have to give this a complete 0 because it's just, I haven't even been wearing it for like 5 minutes and it started doing that. So what happens after like 15 minutes? I mean, come on, this is ridiculous. This formula needs to be reformulated. This was in the color 101 Nude. Hey, tell me, does it work for you? Have you guys tried this before? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section down below, but come on, you would give it a fail, wouldn't you, if you saw that? So I hope you guys enjoyed this review and tutorial, or this review pretty much. But if you could, please hit that subscribe button, that tiny little bell next to it, so you guys can get notifications of videos that I upload. And that's it. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.